I think everybody, if you can afford the lifestyle, I think you should slow down after 40.
If you could afford
If
to.
you can afford to, and if you are lucky enough to do what you want to do, I think we have the option of slowing down.
हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका टफ स्टोरी के एक छोटे से पार्ट में जो हमारे बड़े पॉडकास्ट का एक स्पेशल हाईलाइट है। अगर आपको ये क्लिप पसंद आए तो पूरा पॉडकास्ट जरूर देखें, लिंक आपको मिल जाएगी डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया के अंदर। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Like to first go through your journey of your whole life. So
Sure.
you start off with Hyderabad Public School.
Yeah, so I passed out 12th and then did my graduation in a place called IIMC, which is in Lakri ka Pul.
IIMC, Indian
Institute of Management and Commerce. So
Okay.
after that, I started working with a finance company called Kotak Mahindra. So it was very young, third year of degree I started working, and happened to get a chance to go to Japan. And very early, I was about 19 and a half, 20, I left to Japan. I was working with a company which was a dealership for ZTV. So I got a very early break in the media and entertainment industry, very early. This was a time when we had to fix big dish antennas to just receive one signal of one channel. There used to be like 4-meter dish antennas across.
4 meter?
4-meter dish antennas, and the government didn't allow them to be fixed in balconies. So we had only people who had independent houses,
Terrace के लिए.
terrace or a backyard could fix up these antennas. So that was the time when I started my real journey as my career, I would say. So worked in Japan for almost 8 to 9 years. With
That's
the
a
media
huge
industry.
experience.
Yeah, lived there, learned the language, understood the culture, continued staying there, and then was picked up by a Japanese company again in the same media and entertainment industry. Moved to Australia from there, almost 4 years.
Okay.
And then picked up by an Indian company back in Hyderabad for a couple of years to do again the same kind of media and entertainment business. Came back to India, settled the wife and kids here, and then I got an opportunity back in Australia after a couple of years. So then I was doing back and forth. Then finally at 40th birthday, I decided that enough and let's start our own business. So that's the time when we started Sim and Sams.
So is it post 40 everyone
Yeah, gets a realization. Midlife crisis.
Midlife crisis. I just hit 40 this year. Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know. मैं बहुत ही cool down mode में आ गया हूँ. Like I used to run all the time. I used to think 10 things at a time. And all my friends made me realize कि भाई 40 का होते ही slow हो जाएगा. So I was not prepared, but I actually feel now that yes.
You do, and your body doesn't. So I was traveling 20 days a month. Just going back and forth, Sydney, Melbourne, Africa, all across. So I was like, that's it. Couldn't see the kids growing up. So, just felt like I think it's time to just settle down in one place. So
makes sense.
The place was Hyderabad. So we moved back for good. And it took us about a couple of years to think what to do now, settling back because I quit my job. Then it took about a year to set up, understand what we want to do. And now we're doing something a little different for the kids.
Makes sense. So for 20 days in a month you have been traveling, and post 40 do you even think about traveling?
Now it's tough even to take a 2-hour flight to Kochi. So we have one center in Kochi. It's a very tough job to even go there. But earlier, even a 16-hour flight didn't look like a long flight.
I could relate to that because I used to remember every Jan I used to go to US for CES. There's a show called CES. Then there was something called as MWC February. I used to go there. Berlin, and middle of all those months twice or thrice to China. It was a piece of cake. अच्छा अगले महीने चाइना जाना है, ठीक है, वीज़ा हो गया है, हाँ वो एजेंसी करवा देगी, sorted. And now if I have to travel to Delhi also, like Delhi, wow, कितने बजे जाना है, अच्छा इतना planning. I'm like नहीं होगा यार. Is it really important to go?
Exactly. There were times when you don't know which time zone you are waking up in.
Yeah.
Now it's like, okay, let's take it easy.
So post 40, that's a learning to all the young guys that कि mentally you will be cooled down.
So I think everybody, if you can afford the lifestyle, I think you should slow down after 40.
If you could afford to.
If you can afford to, and if you are lucky enough to do what you want to do, I think we have the option of slowing down.
उम्मीद है ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल और इंटरेस्टिंग रहा होगा। इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें और टफ स्टोरी को यूट्यूब और सारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पर फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर दीजिए। पूरा पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया में दे दी है, वहां पर जाकर जरूर चेक करें। सो ये था एक काफी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो और मैं आपसे मिलता हूं हमारे अगले वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।